ngayon 2028 sa darating ng Halalan 2028, Pilipinas Halalan, sa Pilipinas Halalan 2028 na nanalo ng rehistro sa COMELEC, walang iba kundi ang mga religious leader ng walang iba kundi ang religious leader ng Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide Leader ay sina Brother Eddie Villanueva, Brother Eduardo Cruz Villanueva, at sa atang author and lawyer politician na si Attorney Alexander Kuya Alex L. Lacson, Vice Presidential aspirant si Attorney Alexander Lacson, si Attorney Alexander L. Lacson, Vice Presidential aspirant Standard Bangon Pilipinas Party, at si Brother Brother Eddie Cruz Villanueva, Presidential aspirant Bangon Pilipinas Party this 2028. Sana all talaga si Attorney Alex Lacson for Vice President at si Brother Eddie Villanueva for President. Sana all nag-register na ng kandidato ng Presidential and Vice Presidential aspirant Bangon Pilipinas Party. Nag-endorso na CBCP, Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines, Lutheran Church of the Philippines, United Church of Christ of the Philippines, The Salvation Army, Iglesia ni Cristo, Saksi ni Jehovah, Latter-day Saints, El Shaddai, Kingdom of Jesus Christ, the name above every name, Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide, Jesus is Our Shield Worldwide Ministries, Jesus Miracles Crusade International Ministries, Christ Commission Fellowship, United Pentecostal Church International, UPC Philippines, pati ang Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ Port Watch at Pentecostal Church of Assembly at Pentecostal Foursquare Church at Pentecostal Assemblies of God Philippines, pati ang mga ibang religious group tulad ng Judaism at Islam, Hinduism at Buddhism, at Rastafari movement at Eastern Orthodox in the Philippines, Eastern Orthodox Church in the Philippines, governed by Orthodox Metropolis of Hong Kong and Southeast Asia, by Ecumenical Patriarch of Constantinople, Eastern Orthodox in the Philippines. Nag-endorso nito ni Brother Eddie Villanueva, Presidential Standard Bangon Pilipinas Party, at si Attorney Alexander Lacson, Vice Presidential Standard